We'll guide you through how to download Google Chrome on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and browse the internet with it. I really like Chrome because I can go and have it on my different devices, and my history, my bookmarks, my data can be synced across them. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. What we need to do to get started is open a web browser. So we're going to use Edge, as that comes with our computer, and click Google at the top, or click in the search bar and just go and type in Google. And then what you can do is we can go and type in Google Chrome and go and search for it. You can then scroll down and find Google Chrome, and we'll go and click on it, wait for it to load, and we'll find the download Chrome button, and you can go and click there. Go and wait, and then what you can do is go and press save as, and we can go and save it. Then what you can do is you can go and press on your file explorer at the bottom of your computer and press downloads to the left, and you want to find Chrome setup, and you can go and double click on it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up which you need to agree to and click yes, and it's now initializing and connecting to the internet. It's going to download what it needs. When it's finished, it will stay waiting to install. Go and be patient while this completes. Chrome will then go and open up automatically like so, and now we can go and begin using it. You can go and sign in by pressing the profile icon in the top right, and we can press sign into Chrome. And then you can sign with your account and have your data synced. If you found this useful, then leave a like.